Hey everyone, Vandy here. If you're looking for reliable and professional movers, you come to the right place. Local and interstate moving and all storage solutions.
We can fully pack and unpack your home.
When you hire us, you save time and enjoy professional friendly movers. Don't take our word for it. Check us out online. 5-star reviews all around.
Moving Care, we're punctual and professional. We always keep our appointments.
Always.
Always.
Our prices are competitive, honest, and transparent. Google us. Our name will come up on top. Check us out online and get a free estimate. Why not schedule your move with the best? Let your move be pleasant.